What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video. We're gonna be working with Beautyforever hair. I was sent a 24-inch chocolate highlight body wave frontal wig. I believe this frontal wig is a 13x4, and y'all, the curls is giving. I think right now, I feel like with this company right now, I'm obsessed with their lace, y'all. Do you guys see this lace, y'all? And this is glueless. Like, literally all I did was apply some gel and some holding spray. And y'all, the hair is giving, honey. What? Nah, this hair is really bomb right now. Like, I'm loving how full for this hair to be 24 inches. This hair is like real full. It's soft. Usually 24 inches you be getting some thin hair, but like I said, this hair is real full. I love how the highlights is like not too much. Like, it's literally peekaboo highlights. But y'all, when I received this wig, I did not have to do no type of plucking. Can y'all believe that? No, because I couldn't either. I literally took this hair out the box, I bleached it, and I looked at the lace. I'm like, I ain't gotta do no plucking, because the look I'm going for, I'm gonna start doing some like full thick baby hairs. And y'all, this hair was plucked to perfection. I don't know who plucked it, but Beautyforever, shout out to y'all. It's the lace and everything for me with this wig. I love this hair, so you guys know I highly recommend this wig, this hair company, period. If you guys are interested in the same exact wig, the link is going to be down below. And if you guys are interested in how I got this look, continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K, man. Let's get it, let's go. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.
again. It's a rich thing.